Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and welcome to Freebie Monday. Yes, the watch faces has dropped early, and you can find these watch faces. They are located on the homepage of the Gear Manager store, or what you would call the Galaxy App Store. All right, so we're not going to leave every single link to all 5 watch faces that we're about to review. You will be able to find them all in one place. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started with this review. Now, starting off with number 1, this one is called JMO Galaxy Sport Star. It's a very nice looking digital watch face, not a bad look at all. You're going to get everything from your step info up at the top. It's going to get you goal completed, also miles walked around, your heart rate, nice digital time along with the date, and you do get the day of the week down at the bottom as well with floors climb. Now, this is a nice watch face because it also gives you contacts, messages, phone. You can go to your music with a single tap, your weather, settings. You can also go into your email as well, and you can customize the color of this digital watch face as well. So this is not a bad look for a download, but at the end of the day, it's going to be all about what you think. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number two. It's called JMO Digital OrginalA. It's a very nice looking casual watch face. It's a digital watch face that I thought it did a really good job with this one. I like the big bold numbers. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face is on for the Gears 2 and the Gears 3. It's not a bad look at all, but once the watch face is on, up at the top, you are going to get your date information, the day of the week. You come down, you're going to get a nice moon phase over here. And I do like the slant stack digital time, but I really like the boldness of these numbers, especially during the work week. This is not bad at all. You will get a PM stamp. This is a 24-hour watch face for those of you all who look for 24 hours. And you're going to get all your step status info down at the bottom. Calories burned, step info, heart rate, floors climb, miles walked around, everything that you need for your step status is going to be right here for the taking in this watch face. Now, if I tap anywhere on the watch, I can change the color of this time, at least for the hour. It's not bad, not a bad look at all. I thought the developer did a really good job with this one. And at the end of the day, yes, I suggest number 3. Now, number 3 is nice. If you don't download any other watch face, this one you need to download ASAP. This is not a new watch face, but it's been paid for quite some time. So if you missed it when it was free before, now you have another opportunity to download. So with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, this one here is by SSOM. This guy always brings the noise every single rip. Now, the name of it is called Hipster In3 White. This is a nice, elegant analog watch face. In the AOD mode for the Gears 3, it looks super awesome. I like this look. Has a luxury feel to it as well. For the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different. But for the Gears 3, this one is off the chain. Now, looking at the watch face when it's on, I love this look. I love the elegant design of this watch face. You get a few hours in all. Up at the top, you're going to get the month and the date. I really like what's going on with the index around the bezel of the watch. It really stands out, really adds a lot of character and brings the watch face together. Here, if I tap in this dial, I can get my heart rate information. Over here, I can get my battery, and down at the bottom, I can get my calories burned, step information, water, coffee intake, settings, everything I need for my step status is right there. But you also get an opportunity to change the thing just a little bit, not much, but you get a few in all. This one is different, very nice, depending on how you're feeling with the outfit that you have on for that day. Not bad at all. You get like a few in all. I really like that one. What do you think, people? Definitely download this one. Take my word for it. Watch face number 4. Now, this one is by SSOM. It's a nice super casual watch face to wear on any given Sunday. You can wear this during the work week. You can wear this super dressed down during the weekend. This is a nice watch face to have in your lineup. The name of it is called Belle In4. This one here is also by SSOM, and I like the look. I like the design of this watch face. Very different. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the nicest look for the Gears 3. Pretty much it's going to look like the watch face when it's on. Everything's just going to be dimmed down, and you're pretty much going to see the hands of the watch face, which I thought was really nice. For the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different. Now, looking at the watch face, now I like this look. I like the layout of the watch face. Very simple, but yet it gives you everything that you need out of a watch face. You get the 12, the 9, the 3, and the 6. Step status info there, heart rate info there, battery info, step status info. You get everything that you can ever need out of a watch face. Now, also what you get is shortcuts. So with a single tap, I can go in and get my email, S voice if I use S voice, and my music is right over here. So for a free watch face, guys, I'm going to tell you, do not miss out on this one. But also, if I double tap on the 6, I can change the color of the numbers of the time. Not bad at all. Not bad. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. Let's check out watch face number 5. People, watch face number 5. Very unique, very modern. It's an analog / digital watch face. I love the design on this one. The name of the watch face is called Mia In2 Ocean. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2 for the most part. And they are going to be different from one another, but you still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now, up at the top, I really like the uniqueness of this design, because up at the top, you're going to get info in the month and how many weeks you are into the year already. Here it's going to give you your step status info. You also come down, it's going to give you your goal completed, and your battery info is right here. Now you get a nice analog hands, and you also get a nice second hand that's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch. Now what I like also, of course, is that he gives you shortcuts. You got settings here. You got music that you can go into right here with a single tap. Same thing with S voice, and if you choose, you can set an alarm. But you got other places in which you can tap into, like for your battery info, you can tap here. For here, you can get your step status info, calories burned, floors climbed, things of that nature. You can tap on the time, pull up your calendar, set an event. So this watch face is definitely one of those other ones that you need to download before free becomes paid. So if I double tap here down at the bottom, I can change the theme of the watch face, which I thought was super nice. I think I like this one a lot better, but I thought the developer got down on the design of this one. Not a bad look at all. If we could have changed colors, this would have been super, super awesome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.